In this session, let us understand how to check and correct turret alignment along Z-axis. Tool turret in CNC lathe holds multiple tools performing various operations during mass production. It is important to maintain geometrical alignments of turret within tolerances to achieve desired accuracy and quality on component. Normally, turret alignment gets disturbed if there is a heavy impact load occurred due to an accident or abnormal cutting load. It is necessary to check and correct turret alignment in such events. We will demonstrate how to check turret alignment along Z-axis. Tools required: Allen key 10 mm and T-Allen key 10 mm. Spanner size 18-19. Clean cloth. Magnetic dial stand and plunger dial 0.01 mm. Check and ensure turret in clamped condition. Z-axis alignment to be performed on boring tool holder mounting surface. Loosen the boring tool holder mounting screws and remove the holder. Move the X-axis to reference position. Index the tool disc to cutting station. Move the X-axis towards steel stock for convenience of measurement. Mount the magnetic dial stand. Apply dial pressure of 1 mm. Move Z-axis by hand wheel and observe the dial reading along the surface. Allowable value is 0.02 mm. The measured value of alignment is found to be 0.1 mm. Correction: remove the sheet metal guard on turret body. Use 18-19 spanner. Remove SS cover if required to access turret body mounting screw size 10 mm at the rear side. Remove coolant hose in case of obstruction to access rear side mounting screw. Insert T-Allen key 10 mm and loosen the rear mounting screws one by one. Use pipe for proper leverage while loosening. Loosen front mounting screws one by one in the same manner. After loosening all screws, slightly but all the screws. Take alignment reading once again and observe trend positive or negative. Push or pull the turret body manually suitably to correct the reading. Take alignment reading once again. Repeat the correction to achieve the reading within 0.02 mm. After correction, tighten the turret body blocks diagonally. Remove the dial stand and fully tighten all the bolts with pipe. Here is the final corrected reading, which is within 0.02 mm. Remount all sheet covers and SS guards, coolant hoses in place. For further assistance, contact nearest sales and service center.
Subscribe for more CNC tutorial and share your results in the comments.